Well, hello everybody. How are we today?
All great, sir.
All
Very
great?
great.
Okay.
Good, sir.
So, guys, today we have to do a role play. So, I think we all the guys are ready. This role play is gonna be quite big. So, have some patience.
Fatima ma'am is not here.
Okay. Okay. She might come. If she's not there, then okay. Any other person will have to play two characters. We'll do that anyhow.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so let's get started, everyone. The first scene starts that Ankit is going to play the character of a very rich guy who is a business tycoon. Okay,
Yeah, a
and
tycoon.
yeah, he lives alone just because he has divorced his wife, and his wife has left to him just because of his behavior and not giving time and all. But he has a lot of money. Okay, so now and Samia, you are the daughter of Ankit. Okay, so the first scene starts that Ankit has a servant who is Mashal, and Ankit rarely comes to house, and Mashal remains at home, and Mashal always watches whatever Samia does. Samia is a party goer girl. She goes to party, she enjoys a lot. Some boys come to drop her. Now Mashal has to complain this. The first scene is going to be done in this way. So when I say action, so Mashal is Ankit will ask for a cup of tea, and Mashal will go along with the cup of
Sir,
tea, and then
just
he will.
Ankit, just knock the door first, then I will open. Then
Okay, so okay, Ankit has come after a long tour. Okay, go ahead. So three, two, one, action.
Ping tong.
hello, sir. Welcome to home back, sir. How are you,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. I'm good. Actually, I'm quite tired. I am
Should
just
I give
coming
you?
back from London. So,
Okay,
yeah, give
sir.
me a hot cup of tea.
Would you
Okay, it
like a
should be
cup of
strong.
water? Would you like a
Yes,
cup
yes,
of?
obviously. Obviously, you
Oh,
ask so many questions. Just bring me water and very
sir.
strong tea. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Just do it. Yeah,
Take a glass of water, sir. After that, I will make a
yeah.
tea for you.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay.
And give me
Would you?
something to eat also.
What would you like to eat, sir? Something
I would
light or
like to
something
eat. No, no, I would like to eat something Italian.
Italian, sir? I don't know how
Yeah.
to make Italian.
Oh, what the hell? Okay, I will eat continental then.
Then, okay, sir.
Lovely.
Sure. Okay, sure. So here, just take a copy. Meanwhile, I am just arranging your continental breakfast
Okay.
outside the lounge or inside your room. But
I'll,
at least,
I'll, I'll, I'll be in room. I will in room.
mm,
Yeah.
okay, don't
Take
worry,
your
sir.
time. Yeah.
I will be
Yeah.
get back
Uh,
later.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, so here's your food, sir. Have it,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Thank you. So tell me, how is it going on?
Everything is going well, sir.
Okay.
But
That's good.
but
But, sir, your daughter has been gone for 2 days for the with your friend with her friends.
What?
Yes, sir. She always goes whenever you in the out of the state. She always do party with your friends
does
and
party.
does
Okay.
party with your friends and always spends full night out of the house.
Oh my God. Why did not you tell me about this before?
I am the server, sir, but she told me कि she asked for you to get a permission. So how dare I can tell you?
Okay. Look, Mashal, you have been working in my house for the last 20 years. So you
Yes, sir.
have this authority to make my daughter understand. Didn't you make her understand that these things are bad for her?
Sir, she is so rude. She always abused me.
Okay.
She always teach me like a
Treats me, treats
treats
me
me like treats me like very badly, sir. I
like
am very upset. I tried to tell you about this incident many times,
Hmm.
but I am afraid about your daughter. So that's why I didn't tell you. I can't
Okay,
tell
okay.
you.
No, no, no problem, Mashal. Don't feel sorry. You have been a reliable servant, and I'm proud of you to have. I'm very proud of. We are very proud of you. खलचांदी जरा मेरे checkbook लेके आना. Okay, let me write a checkbook for you.
No, sir,
Yeah,
I
I'm very
don't need it.
happy.
Sir,
No,
it
no,
takes
take it. Take this checkbook. This is for 1 lakh rupees. Go and just cash it.
if
wow.
you have a cash, sir, give me a cash, sir.
Take it right now. I'll give you cash also because I'm
Thank
just coming back from USA, so I don't have Indian currency right now. So
I'm
take this.
satisfied with the US dollar, sir.
Very
I'm
good.
Okay,
okay with
okay,
the US dollar.
okay. Take
Yeah,
this. Take
very
this.
good.
Yeah.
should
Okay, now
what?
now it is night. Okay, it is night, and it could be around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and Samia will come now, and Ankit
Okay.
has to wait, has to keep waiting that oh she has not come yet. This scene will start.
Okay.
Oh, it's too late and she hasn't come yet. Oh
Hey,
man,
hey,
I'm
daddy,
getting
what's
worried.
up?
Oh, she
Ma'am,
came.
would you like a
Oh,
glass
Hey,
of
hey,
water?
Samia, you gotta knock the door. You gotta knock the door.
Okay, okay. Ting tong.
Welcome, ma'am. Your father has came already.
Come,
She
come.
he come already. She has been waiting from morning
He
to
has
you.
been. He has been.
Oh,
She,
oh, hey, daddy,
she
what's up?
oh, Samya, where have you been? It's 2 o'clock.
I think, daddy, it's not your business.
Mm.
So stop asking me this question.
What do you mean? I have come to know that you have been spending your time in clubs, pubs, and you also started smoking, and you don't come home for 2 to 3 days.
So
What
what's
the
a
hell is
big
that?
deal? What's a big deal? It's normal for me.
What do you mean? I have a name, I have a reputation, I have a fame. You need to take care of that. How can you spend your time there roaming around with those, your friends who are very middle class people?
Oh, dad, please stop trying to teach me, okay? I'm mature enough and I know what should I do or not.
I think instead of wasting your time with your friends, I think you should join our company. I'll give you the post of CEO. You may work there.
साम्या स्टार्ट आर्गुइंग इन्हीं कारणों की वजह से मेरी माँ आपको छोड़ के चली गई पूरा एक गुस्से में आओ यू
Okay.
डोंट लाइक योर फादर बिहेव इन सच
Okay.
कभी टाइम
Okay,
दिए हो
daddy,
पूछो
please. Okay, you don't have time for me. And today I'm dreaming or what? You here for me? Like caring me and blah blah anything?
Well, I have always cared for you. You know, when you were 5 years old, once you cried, Daddy, I want a mobile phone. And I purchased a mobile phone for you, iPhone for you next day. When you were 10 years old, you again cried, Daddy, I don't want to go to school in a bus. And the very next day, I purchased you a Mercedes car. What else I'm supposed to do for you?
That's the problem. You always talk about your money. You never show your love.
Ah, look, daughter.
That's the main problem. Yeah,
Look,
that's the main
daughter.
problem. I
Yeah,
need
yeah.
your love, dad. I don't
Oh my God.
need your money, okay?
Okay, look, daughter, words like love, compassion, time do not exist in my dictionary. Okay, I'm a hardworking man. I'm a businessman, you know. For me,
That's
hard
why
work
my mom
matters.
left you. That's why my mom left you. And
बुराई
she
करो
was
अंकित
right.
अंकित बुराई करो इसकी मॉम की अरे मॉम बात मत कर उसके बारे में
She was just a middle class mentality lady. Okay, she doesn't know what business is. She never knew, what hard work is. I believe in hard work. I believe in business. I believe in, earning money. Money is everything. But she never
No,
understood me.
you will never understood that money is not everything.
Come
And
on, money
my
is
mother was
everything.
right. My mother was right that time.
No, actually, these middle class people, they have a problem. They cannot fulfill their desires, and just to sugarcoat, their desires, they invent various words like love, compassion. I don't believe in all this. Money can buy you everything, and I have provided you with everything. You have money, you
Oh
can go
my
to any
God.
hotel.
Oh my God. You're thinking what
and
should I say?
and
I
now
don't have any words for you.
now Ankit you have to
Okay,
ask
I don't want to argue with you. Okay, the
Yeah.
next month we have to go to Mr. Vijay Mallya's daughter's marriage to London in London. So just I'm giving you five
I
lakh
don't
rupees.
wanna go. I don't wanna go. You
Just
go
purchase
alone.
your clothes and
You
go.
I don't wanna go, okay? And it's
Oh, you
true.
are so rude.
It's final.
Okay, I don't want to talk to you. Do
Yeah,
whatever
me
you like
too.
to do.
Yeah.
okay lovely next scene now Samia being so much disappointed and being so much unhappy she has to go to a restaurant okay I think she will be sitting there and there she will be trapped by Richa's associate
It's
Tasneem
about
Sabahat
yeah.
okay so Mashal has one more character Mashal be the waiter okay okay you go to the restaurant Samia in
Okay.
hi-fi restaurant since you have a lot of money go have fun
Okay.
call the waiter
So,
Mashal your audio is off
waiter,
Welcome to the restaurant, ma'am. What would you like to eat?
Please give me a one glass of red wine.
Ooh,
Okay, ma'am. Actually, there is no alcohol in there. It's because of COVID, so there is a ban in alcohol.
रेड वाइन
What
में
are
Sorry
you
for that.
रेड
mad?
रेड वाइन में क्या अल्कोहल है? रेड वाइन तो रेड वाइन.
Okay, okay, okay. Don't worry, ma'am. I have a special wine. I will give you for a couple of minutes. Would you like to would you like to eat some snacks with that?
Go, thanks. Just
Okay,
go.
ma'am. Okay, take it, ma'am. Here is your red wine, ma'am.
अच्छा, जब जब साम्या ने इसको ना टिप्स में मतलब 10,000 20,000 ऐसे टिप्स दे देगी, तब रिचा की नज़र पड़ेगी, अरे यार ये तो शी सीम्स टू बी क्वाइट रिच. देन रिचा विल हैच
Oh,
दैट
okay,
कॉन्स्पिरेसी.
okay.
And
Yes,
you listen. You waiter, listen.
yes, ma'am. Yes, please, ma'am.
Keep this money.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a huge amount. I don't take it right now. It's too huge for me.
Just keep it, okay?
Thank you for your appreciation, ma'am. Would you like something else, ma'am?
No. Go.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
from here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Richa, come on. Now observe this girl and talk to Sabahar.
Oh,
Oh, she seems to be rich.
oh, wow. Hey, Sabahat, are you
And
listening to me?
Sabahat,
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Sabahat,
Sabahat,
Hey.
Sabahat, you are a boy. Change your name.
Yeah, I know, sir.
कोई
Sir,
ना
I am a Ranbir.
Ranveer. Oh yeah, Ranveer. Okay, fine.
see Ranveer, look at that girl. She's looking very rich, huh?
Yeah, she seems like a rich girl.
Rich girl.
I think
She
we
wore
should take
very
advantage
precious
of this
dresses,
time.
na? She wore very precious dresses. Look at her necklace.
Yeah,
What do you think? How much her necklace?
It would be
I
around
think
2
it
crores, 5
would be
crores.
around 2 crores. Yeah,
How
I
much
think
money
we
you
should
need
take
in her
advantage
purse?
of this time.
Look
I
at
have
her
to go
purse,
that girl.
yeah. Oh,
अब
yeah.
अब
Go and talk to her very softly with full of love. This girl, it seems that girl looked very disappointed and sad. So go and talk to her very softly with full of love and try to grab him
Yes,
try to cajole her,
and
hoax her. Okay,
okay,
fine,
okay,
go.
okay,
try to cajole her and convince him
Her.
and
convince her.
convince him
Okay, okay, Ranveer.
Hello,
Oh,
convince
जाओ जी जाओ, Ranveer. Go.
hello, ma'am. May I sit here if you don't mind?
none.
Oh,
I
yeah,
am
sure.
talking to
Sit.
Samya. Yeah. Why are you sit alone here? Why are you sitting alone here?
Excuse me, it's none of your business.
No, no, I observed you few minutes ago. You are very sad. Why? What happened with you?
And why should I tell you? Who are you?
Because I because I am your well wishers. You considered me because I know about you. I think you don't know about you, but I know about you.
हम भी दिल जले हैं, दिल जलों की बात समझ जाते हैं.
How do you know me?
I am your class. I am your college student also. You never noticed me, but I noticed you. That's why I know about you.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ranbir, and I think
Oh,
what's your name?
my name is Samya.
Yeah. What
तारीफ करो,
happened with
नाम की
you?
तारीफ. अरे लड़का
Yeah.
हमेशा लड़की की नाम की तारीफ करता है. आप पकड़ो, एक एक बात को
Okay.
पकड़ो, नाम की तारीफ.
What a beauty, sweet name.
Thank you.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
ओके. अब
If you want to share with me what happened
Yeah,
with you,
actually, you know what? I have everything except love.
why?
And
You are a beautiful and sweet girl.
yeah, but my father doesn't love me, you know. And my father and mother has been separated uh,
few
a
10 10
year
years
ago.
ago, 10 years
Yeah,
ago.
10 years ago.
Oh, it's
So
a sad.
that's why I always looking for love, and no
रन
one understand me.
रणवीर बोलो कि देखो हम तुम्हारे इतने अमीर तो नहीं है लेकिन प्यार से भरपूर है, चलो हमारे घर, रिचा को माँ बना लेना।
Okay,
हम्म।
okay.
ओके।
Look, Samya, I am not rich like you,
हम्म।
but I will give you lots of love. If you want to go with my home,
So should I go?
हाँ जाओ, बोलो कि
yeah,
तुम्हें
of
तुम्हें
course,
तुम्हें
Okay.
तुम्हें माँ का प्यार मिलेगा, चलो तो सही मेरे
you will give
साथ।
your my mother's love.
यू कैन
It,
गेट।
yeah, you will get your,
Really? It is
yeah.
so?
My mother is very lovely and she is very caring.
Okay, please let's go. I want to meet your mother.
ओके।
Okay,
ठीक है। तो अब माँ,
yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो अब घर चले जाओ, सारे लोग मिल कर के घर जाओ, वहाँ पे बात करो। वो
Hello, mom.
Hey,
Hi,
hello,
beta.
auntie.
Meet my friend Samya.
Hi, beta.
Hello,
How are
auntie. How are
you?
you? Actually, I'm fine. And
I'm
what
good,
about
beta.
you? Okay.
I'm good. Sit here.
Thank you, auntie.
You are looking so sad. You look so sad, beta. What happened with you? Tell me.
Nothing, auntie. It's just nothing.
Sabahat told me that your
हाँ,
mother and father will
रन
be separated.
रणवीर टोल्ड मी, रणवीर टोल्ड मी, रणवीर।
Ranveer told me that your mother and father will separated 10 years ago. Is it true?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's why I feel very lonely.
Samya, you shouldn't
Don't
think
worry,
you are
beta.
lonely. We are always with you.
Thank you so much. You are
Yes,
so
I'm
sweet,
always with you.
Ranveer.
Ranveer is always with you.
ओके।
So what do you
Yeah,
like to
thank
eat
you.
now?
और खाना ऐसा बोला ना कि सामिया ने हमेशा अमीरों वाला खाना खाया है, तो थोड़ा एकदम दाल भात चोखा हो जाए, दाल भात भुजिया हो जाए, थोड़ा घरेलू खाना हो जाए। ओके। इसको बड़ा मज़ा आएगा कि वाह वाह
Yes,
वाह।
beta, tell me.
Okay.
What do you want to eat?
Can I eat dal chawal? You know dal chawal?
यस।
Okay, definitely. I will make for you. Wait a minute.
वाह वाह।
Okay, please.
Actually, I already make dal chawal and
आई हैव
chokha.
आई हैव
So
ऑलरेडी मेड, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड।
I have I have already made dal chawal and chokha. So
Okay,
take it
okay.
and
Thank you
eat.
so much. Yeah, I'm eating. Oh my
And
God, it's
don't
so
feel alone.
tasty and delicious. I can't explain
आंखों में आंसू आ गए सामिया के, पूछो कि बेटा क्यों रो रही हो। आंखों में आंसू आ गए।
Why are you crying, my baby?
इतने
because I
प्यार से
Why
right
कभी
now
तो
I'm
why are you
खिलाया
missing
crying?
नहीं।
my
Stop crying.
बोलो।
right now I'm missing my mother.
वाह। सुपर।
That's
I'm
why.
like your mother. I'm just like your mother, beta. When you are feel alone, come here and talk to me.
Really?
Share your feelings with me.
वेरी गुड।
Really, auntie?
Yeah, beta. Anytime, anytime.
Okay, I will definitely
I'm
come.
always with you.
I will definitely come. You're so
So,
sweet, auntie. So
thank you, beta.
kind heart.
You are also a very lovely girl. So don't try to
Thank you,
feel
auntie.
alone and stop crying.
ओके।
Okay.
Okay, guys. We have lots of work, so you both are go park and sit together. Have fun. Bye, beta.
ओके।
Okay.
फाइन।
Bye.
चलिए, अब ये दोनों पार्क में बैठे हैं, अब कोई इनको देखेगा। तो मशाल मल्टीपल कैरेक्टर है आपका। मशाल, आर यू देयर? टर्न ऑन द ऑडियो।
Yes, sir.
So you are in the park. You are the neighbor of Ankit. You will observe
Okay.
Ankit's, the business tycoon's daughter, sitting with a normal Lukha type of boy in the public park. It's a
Okay, sir.
big deal. Okay.
Sir, can I call from the park to Ankit, or should I go
You
personally
have
to
to,
meet with them?
digital zamana hai. You have to click some photos and go to Ankit and say, okay. चलो, तो फर्स्ट
Okay.
सामिया एंड रणवीर विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग, थोड़ा डेल्व इनटू ईच अदर्स
Okay.
लाइफ।
Okay.
कम ऑन।
Yes,
So Ranveer, tell me about yourself. You didn't tell anything about yourself.
yes. I am just a, yeah, I am just a student, and your classmate also, your college mate also. But I have a plan for a big business. I will run but but nowadays, I'm just studying, and you have already met my mothers. I have only
Yeah.
mm, live in my mother and nobody in my family member.
Yeah, I must say your mother is very nice, very
Yeah,
sweet
thank
person.
you. And
Okay.
I am with you. I want to love with you. I want to love, share time with
I
you,
want to
spend
love
time with
with you.
you.
Ranveer, I want to love with you.
No, sir.
Okay. I want to spend some time with you.
Yes, sir. I'm,
Okay. Now
Yes.
you both have to
No.
just catch one each other's hand की कोई बात नहीं तुम बहुत अच्छे हो ना दोस्ती भरा हाथ पकड़ो जो समझा
yeah,
जाएगा इट विल बी टेकन अदरवाइज ओके मशाल
Okay.
गेट रेडी विद योर
So,
कैमरा
can we friends, Ranveer?
yeah, yeah, of course.
ओके
Okay.
Shake a hand.
We are shaking
Okay.
hand right now. You click
ओके
Yes.
picture.
वाह
What are you
सुपर
doing, Sami, at here? Don't you know I'm
नो
your
नो नो
father's
नो नो
friend?
नो you
Okay.
don't reveal yourself just go to Ankit
Okay, okay. I'm just called to Ankit, or should
नो
I
नो
go to?
डायरेक्टली गो जी
Okay.
तुसी पड़ोसी हो जी
Okay.
पड़ोसी हो
Okay. Knock, knock.
Oh, hello, Mr. Mashal. Nice to
Hello,
see you.
Ankit. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm absolutely good.
see Ankit you both are not a good terms you are so much
Hmm.
rich and Mashal is always jealous of you
Okay,
he is ready to find each and everything to put you down
Hmm.
तो ये भी एक
okay,
तरीके से पुट डाउन वाला ही है
Okay.
okay.
What do you
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
Mr. Ankit? You are a rich person. You have a very good status in your market. I will destroy your status. I have a evidence about your daughter, and I will destroy you in your. I will ruin your family. Look at the picture.
Oh,
I found your daughter inside the park with the unknown guys, with the cheap guys. Look at this picture, and you told me about your status. What is your status? You are nothing in front of me.
hey, you know life is come. How dare you to talk to me like this? Show me the video that you
Shut
are
up,
trying to
Mr.
show me.
Rakib. These lessons will teach you the daughter, not to me. I am your
Okay,
good picture. See. Look at the picture.
okay,
Here,
show
your
me, show
daughter
me.
is taking the hands of someone else. Now
Oh my God.
you are doing. What kind of father you are? You don't know
No,
where is your daughter is now. Do you know where is she is now?
no, I don't know. Who's that scoundrel boy?
How could I know that? You are the father, you are the parent, you have the responsibility that with your daughter our our states being so popular about
Oh my God.
this incident happened. Always I saw, I have seen, I I saw you, always I
Look,
see your daughters comes with the
look,
unknown person every day. Is this
look. You
happening in
don't,
your house?
you don't have any right to tell me about my
Yes,
daughter. It's a
I
private
am I
family
am I
affair.
am a person of this society. I have the
So
responsibility
what?
of this
You
society.
have no right to indulge in my private affairs. It's good that you have shown me the picture. I'm thankful for that. But don't try to
Yes.
teach me a lesson. You may go.
You
I have got an
I
important
will
meeting to
go,
attend.
I will go definitely. Will please, Mr. Ankit, if this kind of activity will happen next, I will complain in the society committee
You can do
about you.
whatever you want to do.
Okay,
Okay,
I will do
I'll
myself.
purchase the whole committee.
Okay,
And
don't worry.
okay, you may go. I have to attend a very important meeting right now. I don't have time to talk to you.
You
I don't
don't
have
have
time to
time
talk
for
to
me.
people
Even you
like
do
you.
not
Yes,
have a time for
obviously.
your family. That's why you are living alone in your home.
Yes, I'm a
This
rich
kind.
man.
What do you
Even Bill
mean by
Gates
rich
have
man? See
even
yourself.
Bill Gates.
You are supposed. You have no control about your daughter. What kind of rich you are too poor people. You are just one of the
No,
poor man in
poorest
our society.
one of the
Poorest
poorest
man in
uh,
our society.
I
You
know
are
that
money is
people
not
like middle
everything.
class
You
people
don't
like
know
you
how
talk like
to
this only
just
just to
take
put
care
others
your
down.
daughter first. Just take care your daughter first. Then you will teach me a lesson. Okay, now
Even Bill
I'm
Gates.
going. I don't want to
Are
talk
listen,
like that.
even Bill Gates remains alone. So we rich people are like this only. Okay,
yeah
we
yeah
spend life
This
together.
is not a Bill
Be it
Gates
Bill
society.
Gates
It's a
or
very good kind
Jeff
person
Bezos.
society.
We are like
Don't
this.
create a scene. Don't I don't want to be a
Okay,
creative scene. I just want to
I
hear
also don't.
show
Okay,
you some
okay,
pics
you should
about
go.
your daughter. So
okay
you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
the
yeah. Okay,
responsibility to take care. Okay, take
okay,
care. Bye
okay
bye.
yeah.
now Samya is coming home Anki is just furious come on
Yes,
Samya talk the
Okay. Okay.
ting tong ting tong
Ting tong, yeah. Ting tong.
servant will open the servant
Mashal.
servant
Ting
Oh
tong,
sir,
ting tong.
I'm just opening the door. Hello, ma'am. Welcome home
Where
back.
were you? Why are you so late?
Actually, I'm making a tea for sirs. That's why I'm late.
Okay, get lost.
Mashal, Mashal, send Samia to my room.
Okay, sir. Sir is calling you, sir, ma'am. Please go inside the sir's room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, Dad, what's up?
Oh, Samia. Now, where are you
Yeah,
coming from?
it's none of your concern. Okay.
Then whose concern it is going to be? I have told that you have been roaming around with a vagabond boy who is a scoundrel.
Samia, react.
How do you know this thing?
Come on, I have got so many contacts, and only because of you, the low life income kind of people, my neighbors, our neighbors, who are just poor middle class people, they are raising their eyebrows at only because of you. You should be more careful towards your dealing with the outside world.
Ankit, put the mic like this. Little low.
You should be more careful with your dealings with the outside world.
Samia,
Are you
react.
listening to me?
Thing with only rich people, according to you?
Look, yes, obviously, we have a name, we have a fame, we have a status, and you keep on mixing with these poor people, with these middle class people. What will media say? What will people say?
I should clap on your thinking. Wow.
Look, Samia, you are not a normal human being. Okay, you are daughter of a business tycoon. Whatever you say becomes a headline in media. You should be careful of our business name, of our family's traditions.
Samia.
Anything. Yeah. Is there any network issue, sir?
Yeah, there was. Yeah, there was. Speaker,
Okay.
get angry, Samia. Just get angry.
So,
कि यार तुम बाप नहीं पाप हो. Just get angry.
okay. Bapi, bapu. Okay.
You are not a good
Ankit,
father. Yeah.
uh, yeah. So I'm audible?
Yes, yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes, go ahead.
I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
So just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I'm trying to fix my network.
Okay, fix.
Just wait a minute.
Fine. Come on, guys. Wi-Fi is required. Wi-Fi is required.
Ankit, sir, I need some money from you.
Can't you see that I'm talking to my daughter right now? Just shut up. Behave like a servant.
I am also going to grab you.
Mm. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now okay.
Yeah, daughter is back. Go ahead.
What were you saying, Dad?
No, I'm saying that you should be more careful towards your dealing with the outside world. You are not a normal girl. You are a daughter of a big business tycoon.
Dad, listen to me. Now I'm telling you, just stay away from me and don't try to teach me what is wrong or right, okay?
Let me tell you about these, vagabond boys. They are so scoundrel that they always try to take advantage of rich girls. And he's just trying to
You
do
think
that.
so. You think so. I don't think so, okay?
Daughter, you don't have any experience of life, but I have experience of life.
You
I
have
have,
experience.
Of making
You have
money.
experience of money, only money. You don't know how to make a relationship.
when I was a small kid, I was very poor, but I have set up this whole organization, the whole companies. So I have experience of this world. And you should at least take care of your father's reputation. I have no problem even if you have friends, but at least those friends should be
Listen.
similar to
I
our
don't
stature.
care about your reputation and all, okay? I will do whatever I want to do.
Look, I'm not going to tolerate you.
And
I'm not
you
going to
are
tolerate
really a
this
sick
nonsense anymore.
mentality. I can't believe that you are my dad.
Yes, I am your dad, and you have to listen to me.
No, I will not listen to you.
Just get lost.
Yeah,
Sir,
I'm
don't be
going. I'm
angry.
going right now.
You are a heart patient. You have a diabetes. You also have a BP, sir. Don't be angry. Please,
Oh,
ma'am, calm down.
what else I'm supposed to do? I have got a daughter
I
like
don't
this
need your money. I don't need your money. Okay,
who
I'm
is ready
going
to
right
defame
now.
my name. My daughter is always ready to defame my name. She doesn't care about me. I
Don't
have
worry,
set up
sir.
the whole
Please take
empire
a
for
glass
her.
of water. Please
Yeah,
take a
yeah,
glass
please,
of
please
water.
give me,
Take a
give
yes.
me.
You
Take it.
will live alone forever.
Okay, you may go
Madam,
wherever you want to.
You don't deserve anyone to
Okay,
live with
go.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, fine. So now, Samya, you have suddenly decided to go to your mother who doesn't live with you and she has got married to someone else, you know? She has
Okay.
already taken divorce, but still you have some connection to her, so you are going. Rajni, ready? Your scene starts.
Yes, sir.
Ding dong.
Ding
Fine.
dong.
Open the door.
Hmm.
Yeah. Hi,
Hi,
mom.
Samia.
sir,
Yes,
Hi,
in this
how are
mom.
in this
you?
character, I am Rajini's husband, na?
हाँ 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 बाद में आप लड़ेंगे ठीक है
Okay. Yes, mom.
Hi. Hi, Samia. How are you?
I'm not good, mom. You don't
What
think about
happened?
me. Why did you left
No,
me
Sa
alone with that cruel
with
man?
that psycho man, that
uh,
guy.
Samia, that time I'm helpless.
I
That
was.
time of divorce, I was helpless. That time of divorced, I told him, but I
Mom,
told him that I will look after you. But he said to me that I will look after you. I give you higher education. I give lot of love, respect. That time he said to
mom,
me.
please try to understand me. I'm very alone and I have no one to love me.
I know that it my mistake. It was my mistake. I trust him. I trust him, that person who
Yeah, he's
never
very
care
bad, you
anything.
know.
Rajni,
I know
just
that,
Rajni,
beta. I know that.
put your camera a little down. You are half visible. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, I know that. I know that he's very money minded person. He never respect and never believe
You know what? He
others'
only knows
feelings.
how to make money, but he doesn't know how to make relationship.
I know that. I know that. I He always break our promises and all. But what happened?
Mom, he always trying to
तो बत
stop me.
साम्या बताओ that you like someone. बताओ कुछ.
Okay.
Share करो.
Okay, mom, I have to tell you something.
मॉम चली गई. नहीं सुनना मॉम को. Mom is happy in her own world. Mom has another daughter. See. Okay, go ahead.
Tell me, Samia, what happened, my daughter, my dear?
Hmm.
Mom, actually, I want to say something, and it's very personal, you know. I hope you understand.
Yeah, tell me. I listen.
Actually, I like someone, and his name is Ranbir, and I like him very much.
Okay.
Yeah. Please
He
do
also
something.
love you.
Does he? Does he?
Yeah, he
Does he?
also,
He's also.
yeah, he also loves me. Yeah, he also loves me. Please do something for
You
me.
know that, na. One time your father is also very good.
Was very good. Was very good.
Was very good, but after marriage.
Don't talk about that man.
Hmm. तो
Okay.
सामिया
Then
उसी की मम्मा.
what do you want? You want I talk to with your father?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
Samia.
yes, yes. I want to talk.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
or you can wait here. I will talk to your father.
Okay. Okay,
ओके
ma'am.
Okay.
फाइन ठीक है तो रजनी इज गोइंग टू अंकित हाउस और जब तक साम्या आप रजनी के नए बच्चों के साथ बातें करो ठीक है ओके
Okay.
रजनी गो टू अंकित
Ding
हाउस
dong.
या अमीर आदमी का बेल भी ऐसा होना चाहिए मनी 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 ऐसे रिंगटोन होना चाहिए या
Welcome, ma'am.
Ding
Welcome
dong.
back home. Hello, welcome, ma'am.
Hello,
Come inside.
Mashal. How are you?
I'm
You
fine.
are still here.
Yes,
I'm
यस
ma'am.
surprised.
Yes, ma'am. I am
I'm
talk.
surprised to see you.
I'm facing my boss still right now.
स्टिल
Hey, what family drama is going on in my home?
Oh, ma'am is coming, sir.
मैम हैज कम
Oh,
Hey,
Ma'am has came.
हैज
Come,
कम
has come. Please go, ma'am.
Ankit.
Please.
oh, why
Oh
have to
my
come?
God. When you will come? When you are come?
व्हेन डिड यू कम तुम कब
Oh,
आए
sorry, sorry. When did you
Uh,
come? When did you come? I think still you
I was,
are out of station. You are in outer station.
यू शुड
yeah,
बी
yeah.
होना चाहिए
Actually, I was abroad. I just came back in the morning. So you tell me,
Okay.
what do you want?
Hey, you tell me what happened. Why Samia is crying?
Oh my God, Samia. Well, her mind has gone out of order. Okay, she likes to mingle with very low people,
Do you
very
think that
middle class people, and she's
अंकित
ready to
अंकित
get my name details.
वेट वेट वेट
Ankit?
वेट वेट
What do
वेट
you
वेट वेट
what do
वेट
you
वेट
mean?
वेट रजनी वेट अंकित व्हाई डोंट यू yank out your ईयरफोन एंड स्पीक नाउ बिकॉज रजनी बोलेगी तो आपका ड्राउन आउट हो जाएगा साउंड एंड प्लीज स्पीक
Okay, sir.
वन बाय वन
Is it
Okay.
okay, sir?
हाँ नाउ इट इज बेटर एंड
Yeah.
प्लीज वन बाय वन
Yeah.
व्यूवर्स कहते हैं कि एक
Yeah.
साथ
Yeah.
आप लोग लड़ते हो तो पता नहीं चलता है
ठीक है ठीक है सर
Okay.
गो
So
अहेड
what do you think, Ankit? मतलब a common man, common people are not not हाँ
हाँ डोंट हैव राइट टू
हाँ sorry sorry common people don't right to love anyone.
well they can love but they should love according to their stature. They have no right to even talk to my daughter.
But your daughter is also a human being first.
No, she is a rich
He
human being.
deserve.
She deserves money.
Why?
You know her monthly
Oh,
expenditure.
Ankit, don't start it again. These type of thinking.
Okay, let me tell you. My daughter's 1 month expenditure is about 2 to 3 lakh rupees. Do you think that person, that vagabond, will be able to fulfill desires of my daughter?
Again, Ankit, money can give facility, dear, but they can't give happiness.
You know, my daughter cannot live without AC for 2 minutes, and he lives in a jhuggi.
He wants love, Ankit. He wants love,
she
nothing else.
she
Look,
Sorry,
Ranveer,
she wants love. She wants love, love, care, need. She wants these type of things.
look at that. As I have always said to you, let me tell you, you people who are lower middle class, okay, you cannot fulfill your desires. And you try to cover up your frustration by these sugar coated words like love, emotion, frustration. What the
Ankit,
hell is this? Money is everything.
but Ankit, still, you did not fill my desire. You were always out of. Hello?
I'm listening to you.
Hello?
दसो जी
I'm
दसो
listening to you.
बोलो बोलो रजनी
Okay,
बोलो
okay. When I used to go somewhere, na, that I saw the all people came a pair, but I'm alone that time.
I was alone
Do you think I was alone that time?
Oh,
Do you realize? Did you realize what I felt that time? But you
Rajni,
earn money. You earn money, Ankit. You earn money, and now you are losing me.
you have lost me
You lost me. You lost me.
And now you
So
will lose
Yeah.
your
money
daughter
is
as well.
not a matter. You know that the money can give facility always, but they can't give happiness. And every human being wants happiness, respect, trust.
Don't tell me these dictionary words. Okay. The practical thing is that money
Please,
is
Ankit,
everything.
change your mind, dear. Change your mind. Change your mind.
Look at my neighbor Rajni and Rajiv. Rajni doesn't like love. She only needs money, and she's so happy. And look at you, where you are right now. Your monthly expenditure is equal to my 1 hour
She,
expenditure.
you know that she always crying. She always told me she always told me that her her husband was not loved him.
और अंकित अंकित पास सम कमेंट की तुमने डाइवोर्स लेके किससे शादी की?
Yeah.
क्या कमाते हो?
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah,
नहीं मेरे
let me
साथ.
tell you. I have name, I have fame, I have money. What do you have? You have just one Khatara scooter,
Hmm.
and your husband,
But
he's even worse than my servant Mashal.
but still I'm happy, Ankit.
Yes, yes.
You are
Still
not
I'm
happy.
happy.
You have just put a mask on your face,
You
but
gave
inside
me
of you are hollow worlds.
you gave me no, Ankit, you gave me lot of facility. You give me car, bungalow, but still when I need you now, that time you were not with
Available.
me.
वाह वाह वाह.
That's the reason available. That's the
Look,
reason, Ankit.
look, let me tell you.
And now you
Okay.
yes, tell me.
Yeah, I'm saying that my daughter Samia, she cannot live without a driver. She cannot live without AC. She cannot go, in a market by foot. She needs a Mercedes car. And I cannot tolerate my daughter to go out like this. What will media say? What will people say?
Ankit, she needs love, respect. Who
Which
which you did not
which
give him her. You did not give her. Which
Hell
you
of
did
your love
not
and
give her.
respect.
ओके. ठीक है, रजनी गुस्से में आओ, बोलो कि तू तू भुगतेगा, तू एक दिन अकेला रह जाएगा. गुस्से में आओ. यू विल रिमेन अलोन वन डे विद योर
तू
मनी. तू एक दिन अकेला रह
okay,
जाएगा.
okay. Okay. You will alone one day, Ankit.
You will remain.
Nobody with you.
Nobody will be with you.
You will remain alone. Nobody with you.
Will be.
That time you realized.
You will realize.
You will
Until,
realize that time.
until and unless I have money, I don't care about anybody. People will flock to me. I will never go to anybody, okay?
Wait
Stop
and
arguing with me.
watch, Ankit. It's
Okay.
that time should become. That time will become.
That time.
That time
I
will
don't
become.
care. I don't care.
ठीक है. रजनी तो गुस्से में बोलो, go to hell. To
I can't understand you. Again, I can't explain you, or I can't understand you. Thank God I left you.
Actually, your mentality is very cheap. You belong to a lower middle class family. You always belong. So you don't understand how rich people live, okay? You just go and live in your slum with your husband.
Ankit, just see your face in the mirror and then you tell me these things.
Every day I see my face in the mirror and look at my palace.
No,
Look at
Ankit,
my
still
palace.
you alone. You alone. Your face say that. You alone, not happiness with you. You
I can
just earn money, but you not earn relationship.
Okay. Now.
I can win relationships with my money. I have so much proud of my money, what I have done and what I have earned.
When you gone in this world now, that time you not keep your money with hell.
Okay, you may go. I have got an important meeting to attend, so let me go. I have no time to fight with you, okay? Go
I
take
know.
your scooty and go,
You
go out of here. Go from my palace.
still you have no time
Okay.
for me.
Okay. Now, Mashal,
Still.
you go back, Rajni. Mashal will argue to you.
Okay.
Rajni again. Okay.
Ding dong.
from open the door. From where are you coming, Rajni?
I'm coming from Ankit's house.
Do you know I don't like that person? Do you want to spell? Do you want to
I
spoil
know
this?
that.
So why
I
do
know that, Mashal. I
that?
still don't want to go there. I still want to go there, but my daughter Samia,
See,
only
Rajni,
that the
I
reason I went
no,
there.
I don't like even Samia too. Just forget about your life. Just forget about your
What are you
ex-husband.
saying that?
I am
What
your
are you
husband
saying
right now.
that?
I am saying about
She's
that. Just
no,
control your
Mashal.
emotion.
She is
She
my
is
daughter. She is
she,
my daughter.
she is
I
no
care
longer.
her.
No,
I
you don't.
love her. She's
It
also
doesn't.
my responsibility.
What
She's
about
also
me?
my
What
responsibility.
about
How
me?
could you say that?
What about
I'm
me?
still with you. I'm still with you, Mashal.
You
But
are
she
not
is
with
also my responsibility. How could you say that? You
your
know that, na?
responsibility
She's
is to
my.
take your responsibility to take care first priority to this house, not for that house. You now you have a divorce, so your responsibility
No,
only for.
no, Mashal. She is very disturbed.
So
And
what can
you
I
know
do?
that now.
It's personal life. So why you are involving in personal life, Samia's personal
I
life?
know that. I
Samia
know
has
that
a
I
father.
divorced with. I know that Mashal. I know that I divorced with this, Ankit. But still, Samia is my daughter. I gave her. I
You
gave him because that time I was not settled.
what do you mean? In this time
But still,
you want to destroy this life too? Listen, Rajani, I don't like to go with your to
no,
keep taking.
Mashal. You can't say, yeah. You
I'm your
understand
husband.
my feeling.
I
I
don't
still
understand
I'm a
you.
mother.
If you want to live with me, so you obey my order. Otherwise, leave my house. I will also give you a divorce.
How?
What
This
are you saying that?
this
How
is
could you
my
say
house.
this? How could you say that, yeah?
This is my
You
house,
know
and this
that
is my rules. And you
Okay.
have
you
no right
came
to
with
challenge.
me.
Samia, Sam. Okay.
You came with me that time. You know that I was divorcee,
Okay.
and I have a daughter. And
Wait,
that
I
Rajni,
time
wait,
I tell you,
wait,
that time I told you.
wait. Okay, Samya, you are still available at Rajni's house and you have saw them quarreling. Okay. Now you thought कि अब तो मेरा कोई नहीं है. Now you go to रणवीर.
okay,
वहां पर
okay.
जाके अपना रोना रो कि यार मैं तो कहीं की
Still,
नहीं हूँ.
Samya, what are you doing in my house? You don't know this is my house. Why you are not? I thought you
Mashal,
will
this
come.
is my. This is
No,
also my house.
you
You
know
don't
that.
say that.
Stop,
Please,
How
stop
dare
Samya,
you
fighting with
talk to
each
like
other.
my daughter?
Stop
please,
fighting with each other.
Samya, please.
I'm going right now. Don't worry. I'm
Lots
going.
of fighting with you.
All men are same.
Okay, get
I'm
lost
going.
from my
Mom,
house. You
please.
we also have a meeting.
You get lost, Mashal. You get lost. At least I never accept you.
Expected this from you.
Accept it. I'm never
And
expected from your side.
do I?
You are same to Ankit.
Yes.
Still,
No, I'm not.
what difference
I.
between
This is
Ankit
my
and
house,
you?
and I know how
Nahi,
to
what
protect my.
dif-
The
I know.
only
I
nahi,
just
difference is
need a.
Ankit
if
is
you
rich and I'm poor.
This is the only difference. I will give you the all things. I will give
no,
you.
your mentality
I
are
will
same.
my mentality is okay. Your mentality is wrong. That's why you got divorced with someone, and you will again will
I
get
think
divorced from me.
Ankit is better than you. At least
Okay,
he gave me money.
we both get
अरे
out
भाई
from my
भाई.
house. Get
And
out from my
money,
house. To be. I don't want to be.
I don't want to live with you. I have lot
No,
of money. I have lot of money. My husband
see,
Ankit
Samya,
gave
look
me
at
lot of money. So I
Samya,
don't
look at you.
need you.
Is
You
that
get lost.
Now I think
This is my house.
Rajni will go back to अंकित है. ऐसा अंकित आप तो लॉयर है, ऐसा होता है डाइवोर्स कैंसिल भी हो जाता है.
हाँ सर, रीमैरिज इज अलाउड, रीमैरिज में भी
हाँ
पॉसिबल.
तो ठीक है, तो लास्ट में वैसा ही करा देंगे. ठीक है. ओके. अब सामिया विल गो टू रणवीर. सामिया जाओ जी जाओ.
Hi, Ranveer.
Hello, Samya.
How are you, Ranveer? Today,
I am good. Why are you sad, Samya?
yeah, because today I'm all alone. No one is with me.
Oh, baby, why? I have already told you you are no feel No, alone. I'm always with you.
You know what? Yesterday I went to my mother's house and I told her everything about our relationship. And I told her that I like you. And she said, okay. She will go to my father and she will talk to him. And she came to my house and my parents started fighting with each other because of me. No one understand me, you know.
Don't worry, Samya. Rich people are always think like this. Don't
Yes,
they
you are
don't
right.
need to
Money is the
give.
problem. Money is the main
Yeah,
problem, I
money is
think.
the problem. But don't worry, I am with you, and you can stay here with me if you want. You
Richa,
know I
But
Richa
how much
convinced him.
I love you.
yeah, I know. Only you love me. No one love me other than you.
My love is enough for you, Samya. Don't worry.
Yeah. So, should I say that come to my house?
हाँ, अब नहीं, रिचा विल डिसाइड। रिचा कहेगी बेटा रुको,
Okay.
अपने पापा से बोलना कि हम लोग तुम मिलने आएंगे उनसे, ऐसे। रिचा इज देयर। रिचा, साम्या इज देयर विद यू।
Yes, sir.
यू कैन टॉक टू साम्या, थोड़ा सा कंसोल करो, बोलो कि बेटा हम आएंगे तुम्हारे घर, पापा से बोलो, और तुम्हारी शादी रणवीर से ही होगी।
Okay, sir. Hey, Shamya, why are you crying?
Nothing, auntie. Just family issues, you know.
Okay, you like Ranveer?
Yes, I like him very much.
I I hear you both had conversation, and I'm figure out all these things. So I'm talk to your father, but listen to me, beta. I have not lots of money to give you. I can't afford cars, AC, and other delicious foods. So before
Auntie,
getting
you know
married,
what? I don't
you
need
have
this
to
kind
think
of
about it.
things. Yeah, I want only love and respect.
Here, that's the reason I told you. I only give you love, only love, only love, care, respect. But I don't give you this facility. I can't afford that type of
I don't care
facility,
about that. I
like
don't
that
care about
cars,
that. I have
AC.
no problem. I have no problem.
Yeah, mom, please
I
have
just
to do
Okay,
want
so
something
to
for
go
live
you.
and
with you all. I just want to live with
okay,
you all.
okay. If you both want to get married, I will talk to your father. So first,
Yeah,
Samia, you go
please.
to you go back to your home and talk to your father. We will come tomorrow. So after that, after talking to your father, you will inform me. You will have to inform me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
And
beta,
when
stop
Ankit,
crying and
when
go.
Samya goes to you, she will talk politely, so you have to relent for a while, go okay ठीक है, मैं आने दूंगा, you know. Okay, Samya,
Okay.
Ankit.
Yeah. Hey, hey, Dad.
Yeah, yeah, daughter, tell me,
Uh,
how are
You
you?
know what, Dad? Actually, I want to say something.
Yeah, yeah, please, you
Yeah,
can say.
you know, I love someone very badly.
Very
Oh my
bad.
God, who is
Very
that person?
very bad,
Uh,
हाँ हाँ,
his
ठीक है।
his name is Ranveer, and I love him so much, and he also loves me.
Okay, is he the same boy with whom you were spotted in a park?
Yes, Dad. Please
Okay, so
don't
what?
get angry. Please don't get angry.
Okay, okay, okay. So what do you want now?
I want to get married with him.
Okay, do
If
one
you
thing. Call them tomorrow. Call them tomorrow. I would like to meet him. I would like to see what kind of person you have chosen for yourself.
Okay, thank you so much, Dad. I can't
Yeah, call
believe that.
him as well as his family. I would like to meet them all.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. I can't
Yeah,
believe that you are supporting me
I'm
for the
not
first
supporting
time.
you just for only your because I love you. Hence, I'm meeting them. I'm not supporting you at all. I don't like
Okay,
people, dirty people, middle class people. I don't like.
but first meet them. After
Yeah,
that, you
I
will
will meet.
decide.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Call them tomorrow.
Okay, now Richa and you, Ranveer. हैव टू टॉक, अरे आज तो बस अब जाएंगे लूटेंगे रिचा,
Yes,
जस्ट
sir.
एक पूरा एक वो ऑर्केस्ट्रेट करो उसको, पूरा एक हैच करो प्लान को।
Richa,
Yes, sir.
this is the best time for the robber
रॉब
her,
रॉब 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 हर।
rob her, yeah, rob her, because her father is ready.
Yeah, Sabahat.
रणवीर,
I'm, I'm,
रणवीर।
yeah, 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 Ranveer. I'm saying that if that girl got stuck, our life becomes sad.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
So
yeah,
we have, so
first of all I have to go for shopping, because we have to show him we are also able for her daughter.
yes, but it seemed that her father is a very angry and cruel person. He is a business tycoon. So yeah, you are right. We have to wearing um, some costly clothes. So
Yeah,
let's go for the shopping. And I must tell you, talk to her father very softly and carefully.
yes,
Um,
I
none
have
other
to.
than none other than with her that time. So this is the right time. We go and figure out all the things.
Yes,
What is the matter? And okay, let's go. In
ठीक
no
है।
time,
सो
go
आफ्टर
apple of
शॉपिंग यू
my
आर
eye.
गोइंग, शॉपिंग इज डन, नाउ यू आर
yeah.
गोइंग टू ring the bell. Ting tong, money, 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 money. Come on, open. Mashal, open.
Ting tong, ting tong.
Hello, who are you, ma'am?
I
Who are
am
you?
Samya's friend.
I'm
Okay, don't worry. I just inform the my sir. After that, you will enter. Please stay outside the home. Sir, someone is
Vishal, who
coming.
is at the door?
Ma'am,
Who
some
is she?
parents. I think a lady with the boys standing outside the door.
Oh, Ranveer. Come, come.
Okay,
Please
go.
come.
Please come, ma'am. Do you want some water or
Please,
tea or
auntie,
coffee?
come.
Okay,
yeah, beta. Your
please
servant is
have.
very rude.
Sit here, please. Sit here.
Very rude.
Yeah, he is actually.
He don't know how to
Samya,
Okay.
behave
your
a
heart is very
woman.
beautiful.
How to behave with a woman.
Sorry, ma'am. Would you
Yeah,
like a glass of chilled water?
go,
Yes,
go,
I want.
Okay, take it.
go from here.
Sir, someone is
Okay, beta,
coming
where
to
is
meet
your
you.
father?
Okay, okay. Tell them to wait for half an hour because right now I'm in a meeting with the chief minister online.
I think
So
he
let
has
me.
only half an hour. He has
Lovely.
only half an hour. In
Okay, tell
between
them
your
to wait for another
Okay, no
30 minutes.
issue.
Tell them to wait. After all, they have nothing to do. I know these people. So ask them to
Samir,
sit, give them something
okay.
to eat. Yeah, I'll come in.
Samir, your father is in the meeting. So she told us
He,
to told
he.
me he told me about to wait at least 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, Samya,
Yeah.
beta, your father is
Auntie,
very
would you like to
arrogant.
take anything? Would you like to take anything?
No, baby.
Ranveer, you also.
No, no, I am fine. I want to talk to you. Until your father not come, I think we should talk to each other.
Yeah, you know,
Your heart is very beautiful.
Okay,
oh,
I'm coming.
thank you.
I'll come. Okay, 30 minutes. I'm coming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meet
Hello.
that,
Mm-hmm.
Hello,
meet
uncle.
them. He is
Oh,
Ranveer
hello.
and she is his mother.
Okay. So
Hello,
where?
sir.
How many houses do you have?
कितने घर हैं
How much
आपके?
property?
We are
How many
not.
houses do you have? Yeah, mom.
Excuse me,
Richa
sir.
madam, tell
We are
me.
not. Yes, sir. We are not in a. We are not giving here an interview. So stop questioning me. I
If you
just.
want
I
to
just only. I just only want your daughter. She.
look,
She is a very pretty girl. She love. She love me and
Love.
my son also. They want to get married. So I'm just talking about um, his marriage.
if you
So what
want
do you
to
think about?
me,
So
yeah,
what do
if
you
you
think?
want me to get my daughter married to your son, then obviously I would like to know some information about you, some background. I would like to know that how much your son earns, where do you live, how much property do you have. I'm not supposed to give hand of my daughter to anybody. I'm a
I
title.
have no any property. I have only a small house. I live in a slum area, and my property is my son. So I have no other properties.
And how much does he earn every month?
Now he is studying in a college.
What?
Richa, you should Richa, you should लड्डिंग हांगने को क्या कहते हैं? Richa, I think we should show in pretend we have lots of money and I have lots of property.
ओके तो
But we are living in slum areas, na?
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, प्यार प्यार में
So,
बहुत ताकत होती है। ओके
yeah. Okay, so do you
Yes, yes.
think that how would you be able to, take care of my daughter?
Yes,
Dad,
I will
please.
also take care of daughter. She likes me a lot. She loves me. She loves.
I love you,
Okay,
son.
okay. So what we can do right now, it's getting too late, so I think you should stay for tonight at my home, and I will decide about it. I will think over it. I cannot take any decision in haste because it's about the future of my daughter. So give me some time. I will talk to my daughter again, and then I will take a decision. Till then, you can stay.
ओके
Okay,
Okay,
thank you, sir.
I'm already talked with your daughter. She told me everything. She lives very happy with me and my son.
Son.
So think about it.
Look, I am her father, so final decision will be taken by me. Okay?
Okay,
Just
okay, calm down.
don't try to
Calm down.
push me
Dad,
and
calm down.
anything. I know how to behave.
ओके नाउ
Calm
एट नाइट
down.
यू हैव टू
Calm
स्टे।
down.
Okay.
नाउ रणवीर,
Yeah.
you are at the
Yes,
house
sir.
of your girlfriend, so be romantic, buddy. Okay.
Mashal, prepare dinner for them, and keep a watchful eye on that boy because he looks like a vagabond and a scoundrel.
Sir,
So keep
I
an eye.
will. Don't worry, I
Yeah,
will
keep an
wait.
eye on him and make
Richa,
sure
I
that he
will.
doesn't go near to my daughter.
okay,
Sir,
Richa is sleeping.
first,
Mashal, Richa is sleeping. Now Ranveer and Samia have to spend
I'm
some
a
good time, quality time. Hmm.
Okay.
बातें करो जी।
Hey, Ranveer. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, Samya. I
Please
think we
sit
should
here.
talk to each other and we should go
Yeah.
on the terrace because all are now sleeping.
Let me show you my house.
अरे
Yeah, of course.
घर तो देख ही
Okay.
लेंगे, चलो ना छत पे चलते हैं, घर तो देख ही लेंगे। कम बी लाइक अ बॉय, बिहेव लाइक अ बॉय।
I saw your home after that, sir. After that, I think we should talk to each other and we should spend our time, best time.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Why are you so pretty, Samya?
वाह वाह वाह,
Uh,
Wow,
इतनी
wow.
सुंदर क्यों हो तुम?
because of your love, I think.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
Oh,
सुपर सुपर।
oh, it's my pleasure on you.
देखो इस खुले
You
You
know
know
आसमान
how
what?
को,
much I love
कुछ
you.
एकदम करो, कविताएं करो।
Look,
देखो इस
I'm
चांद
look
not
at the
सितारों
expressing
को।
moon. Look
Kavita.
at the moon. Look at the moon, Ranveer.
मून
Yeah,
तो
it's
मेरे
so
सामने है, उस
beautiful.
मून को छोड़ो, मून तो मेरे सामने है। प्रिटेंड प्रिटेंड।
Yeah, I don't want to see that moon. You are my moon.
वाह
I
वाह,
want to see you.
अद्भुत अद्भुत।
Really?
Yeah,
Really, Ranveer?
yeah.
Oh, you are so sweet.
मशाल एंट्री मारो, एक्सक्यूज मी।
Sir, the door. It's not
Samya,
your
why your
daughter.
servant always come to me?
Sir, Anki sir,
He
open
doesn't
the
have
door. I
any
saw
work.
he is with that boy. Open the door,
What
sir.
happened?
Why are you
What happened to
sleeping?
you?
अंकित अंकित,
Why you?
सॉरी
Why
मशाल।
you came here?
हाँ मशाल, आप मतलब इन दोनों के बीच छत पे चले गए, बोलो कि "ए, जी कुछ चाहिए, कुछ पानी वानी लाऊं क्या, लस्सी वस्सी कुछ ऐसे बोलो, आप लोग रात को यहाँ खड़े हो, टॉक लाइक दिस, फिर चले जाना। या मशाल, योर ऑडियो इज ऑफ मशाल, फास्ट बड़ी फास्ट।
Okay, so what is the situation? Should I go for Ankit or should I
Situation
dress
means
it up?
they both were very close to each other, suddenly you have to enter, okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
What are you doing, ma'am? What are you doing that? What are you doing that?
What are you doing here
No, ma'am,
without
this
my
is not
permission?
right. I will tell all the story to your father. This is
Samir, I
wrong.
think
This
you
what
should.
What what the hell? What the hell are
ma'am,
you talking about?
ma'am, I'm your servant. So I have the
So
responsibility to
what?
take
You
care
have
of
to
you.
work. You
Be
have
in
to
your
have your
limits.
work.
Be in your limits, okay?
Sorry for that, ma'am, but I will not let you alone because sir permission me to look after you.
ठीक है, अपने कमरे में सब चले जाओ, मान जाओ बात, क्योंकि चुराना भी है ना,
Okay,
चोरी भी करनी है, चले जाओ अपने
Okay.
कमरे।
Okay.
Uh,
go to your room. Otherwise, I will
Okay,
call
okay,
my
Ranveer. It's already too late.
Yeah,
Come
it's a
here.
time to rob, rob her home because
okay,
both are
good
doing
night. Good
things.
night.
Good night, Samir.
गुड
Good
नाइट, कम
night.
टू माय ड्रीम प्लीज, बोलो
Good night.
रणवीर, रो
Yeah,
बोलो।
come to my room, please. Have a
Yes,
sweet dream.
sure. You also.
लवली।
Okay.
ओके, अब ठीक है, अब रात को,
Hey, hey, Ranveer.
हाँ, उठो उठो रणवीर,
Yeah,
उठो, गेट अप गेट
Hey,
अप।
Ranveer. Get up, get up, get up,
yeah,
get
yeah,
up.
yeah. I am also awake. I think this time is best
Okay,
for
so we
this
started
house.
to. Yes, yes, yes.
एल्मीरा में कैश होगा,
So
दो
in
तीन
no
करोड़ तो
time,
हो गए।
go go and collect all the cases, and I am going for grab the whole jewelries. Okay, do it
Yeah,
fast,
yeah.
buddy.
ओके,
Go go.
दो चार
Oh,
लैपटॉप पड़े
oh,
होंगे,
Richa,
Okay, whole things
yeah.
we
सब
are
उठा लो।
Oh,
collecting.
Richa, I didn't. I
Yeah.
don't figure
See,
out
see, see. There
where is
is
the jewelry
laptop,
kept that
iPhone.
people. You have figured out some jewelry.
Keep keep it keep it in our bag.
Yes.
ओके ठीक है, सब बांध लिया आप
Richa,
लोगों ने।
some money is here. Is yeah.
हाँ, 3-4 करोड़ ऐसे ही घर में तो अंकित के पड़े
Yeah.
रहते हैं,
So
उठा
Yes,
दिए
let's
sir.
सब कुछ।
so let's
Yeah, yeah.
go. Yeah. Without any
Finally,
further, let's go,
finally
beta.
our finally our dreams comes true, right, Richa?
या ओके, अब जा रहे हो आप लोग, सारे लोग
Yes.
जा रहे हो, अब फातिमा ने देख लिया।
This is enough for us. Let's go fast.
फातिमा को अपने आप से बात करने की, मुझे लगता है कि ये लोग चोर हैं, कुछ चुरा के भागे।
I think they are robber actually. Should I call police?
आई मस्ट कॉल पुलिस, ऐसे मस्ट कॉल पुलिस।
I must call police. Hello, Inspector Masali speaking.
Yes. Hello. Who's on the line?
Actually, sir, I am speaking behind your police station at Utna area.
Yes.
There, I saw that two women escaped from Ankit's house. I was
Oh,
trying to catch them, but I failed. Please come fast. They had two bags also in their hand.
you are talking about the Mr. Ankit businessman, the
Yeah,
businessman Mr. Ankit.
the affluent person. He is affluent person. Please come fast. Meanwhile, I wake up Ankit.
Okay, I will
Wake up,
recover.
Ankit, wake up.
Okay,
Oh,
sir,
yeah,
sir,
Please
hello.
wake up fast.
ओके,
Yes,
Your
yes.
hello.
home,
ठीक है, पुलिस तुम
your
आओ, पुलिस
home,
आते रहे अब, पुलिस।
Okay,
your house has been stolen, Ankit.
यो
I
What?
show that two women escaped from your house. They
हाँ,
had
Yes, yes.
two guns in their hand. I was
Oh my
trying to
God.
catch them. Failed. I called police also. They
Oh,
are about to come.
thank
सामी,
you very much, Fatima ma'am. Thank you very much. They must be those scoundrel people. I think they have stolen, everything from my house. Let
सामिया,
the police come.
सामिया को उठाओ, सामिया को उठाओ।
Ramya, get up, get up.
What
See
happened?
what they have done to us.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट,
See what they have
सामिया
done
सामिया
to us.
सामिया सामिया, थोड़ा सा फनी करते हैं।
Yes, yes.
रणवीर छोड़ो ना, रणवीर छोड़ो ना, मत उठाओ मुझे, लाइक द ड्रीम लाइक दैट। then suddenly
Oh my
you
God.
will open
Okay.
your eyes।
Ankit just slap Sami and say, "I'm
Yeah,
your
yeah, I will
father."
grab. Yeah.
रणवीर के
Samya,
सपने छोड़,
come
कम
on.
ऑन।
Yeah. What the hell you are talking about all the time? You are still dreaming about that scoundrel? He's a thief. He's a robber. Look at that
Oh my
what they have done
God.
to us.
Why are you shouting so much?
Look what they have done to us. They have robbed us.
What?
लवली।
Just go outside and see.
एंड सडनली पुलिस विल कम, कम ऑन मशाल,
Police.
पुलिस विल।
So, in town.
और दोनों को
Shall we
पकड़ के भी
open the?
लाओ, दोनों को, यू हैव अरेस्टेड बोथ ऑफ देम।
Okay, okay.
Not about TikTok. Already
Uh,
open. Doors
सर
already
हम तो
open.
कब के भाग
नहीं
चुके हैं
नहीं
ना।
नहीं, भागी नहीं है, you both have been
Okay.
arrested.
So, okay,
Arrested.
I'm
Yes.
the police of this area.
Oh,
So
Inspector, thank you very much.
some ladies was unknown lady was calling me about the incident. There is some robbery at your home.
Yes.
Do you know that, guys? I have arrested in the Naka, Kristoki, next to the Kristoki Naka.
Okay.
Do you know that, guys?
पहचानो, यही यही
Yes,
पहचानो.
yes. That
So,
guy, yeah, yeah, look at that guy. He's
But
there.
we are
He's
not
trying to run away.
we are not
and
robbery, you know, uncle.
about these two
Samya,
bags? Do you know about these
Yes,
two
Samya,
bags?
you
one man
have
and
to
one
do, you know
woman.
about
So,
me.
Ankit,
We
is
are
the
So,
don't
same
do
guy
this
who
type of
told
thing.
about.
first of all, Mr. Ankit, please come to the police station. I have to register a lost file
Yes,
against both of them. Then
yes,
this
yes,
bag, I
yes.
will submit this bag after that. First, the
Okay.
investigation will be done.
ओके.
Then all the things
सामिया
will be
सामिया की
happen.
आंखें खोलो सामिया की जरा. देख देख तेरे
So,
चाहने वाले.
Samya, now you can see what I have
I
told you
will
earlier.
see you.
Some came true.
okay, is she your daughter?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm talking to her.
सामिया
Samya, see what
ऑडियो
they have done to us. I have told you before
सामिया ऑडियो इज ऑन,
that they are
ऑडियो.
Okay.
robbers.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God, Ranveer, how could you do this?
Samya, how could you believe this? You know very well about me. I can't do this. I think he's your servant work. He is
Shut up.
Everything
Uh,
is front of me. You
एवरीथिंग.
shut up.
can't deny.
Look
Big
at that
lie.
bag.
you
He
know.
also has CCTV footage.
It is
Beta,
impressive for us,
yeah,
Samya.
they all are
In
Like,
Ranveer also
telling lies.
तुम
three cases are
You
running about
you broke
Ranveer.
my trust. You broke
no,
my
Samya, I
trust.
can't
He's
work
a
your trust.
criminal.
You know, your father is not agree with our relation. I think your father and your
Just
servant.
shut up. Just shut up and get
लगाओ
Mr.
lost.
No,
Ankit,
एक
please
थप्पड़.
don't.
must,
एक थप्पड़
I
चटाक.
must, I,
Okay.
How
Mr.
Who's
could you
Ankit,
do this,
I
this?
must
Samya?
tell you about one thing.
Yes,
This is a not fault of your daughter. Actually, Rajat is a business to first cajole the girl and and after that rob
yes.
the houses. I have three cases has been lost against this boy.
Oh
So
my God.
thank you for your cooperation. The police has been searching for his family for last 2 years. So with this incident, I
Ankit,
got
how did you
Oh my
walk
God, I
down
was
this
such a
matter?
fool.
I told about
don't
before this
happen.
guy.
Yes, yes.
I just need your statement too about the incident.
ठीक है,
You
अब
must
You
Yes,
come.
didn't
Inspector.
be with
We
me.
have,
ओके. मशाल, इन दोनों को लेकर जाओ आप. यू गो विद देम.
Let's go. Havaldar
अब
take him into the jeep and put it into the jail.
अंकित,
Uh,
फातिमा का शुक्रिया अदा कीजिए. सामिया आप भी.
Yes. Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much
thank you
for
very much,
your
ma'am,
concern.
for calling us on time. Otherwise, they
Ankit,
would run
you
away,
are
you
not
know.
only my neighbor, you are my friend also. So it's
Yes, yes.
nice.
Thank you very much. Actually, I have only, imported items in my house, and
I
they
thought
have
you
stolen 10 diamond rings,
about this
1 kilo
guy.
sona, 1 kilo gold.
Well,
ओके, फातिमा ही चुरा लेगी, ज्यादा मत बोलो.
no, I am also a friend person.
ओके
I
ओके
did not.
ओके. एंड सामिया, अब सिंस यू नो व्हाट द रियलिटी इज, देन यू शुड गो टू योर फादर एंड से कि पापा आप ही सही हो, मैं गलत थी पापा.
Okay, Dad.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? I'm so sorry. Actually, you were right that time.
Yeah, actually, I have so much experience, that scoundrel people try to take advantage of rich girls. They only want to loot them. They only want to earn money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But no problem since you are my
Yeah, you are
child.
absolutely right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no problem since
I'm
you are
so
my child. I
sorry.
have no problem. No problem. No problem, daughter.
Okay, Rajni, you have to come back or you are happy with your next
Yes,
marriage?
yes, yes.
So रजनी, डू वन
No,
थिंग,
sir.
डू वन थिंग.
Okay.
अगले दिन आप जाओ कि सामिया मुझे ऐसे ऐसे पता चला, और फिर लास्ट में आप चाहो तो उसको डाइवोर्स दो और इधर फिर पैचिंग हो सकती है.
Okay.
गो अहेड. ये
Bye, Mashal.
where are you going right now?
आई एम गोइंग टू माय
I'm
रियल
not.
हाउस.
I'm going to my real house, my big house.
या.
If you want to
Okay.
go, first divorce me, then you will go. Get out from my hair, and I will never see your face again.
Okay, okay, okay. I will see in your court.
लवली लवली. नाउ गो टू अंकित हाउस. सामिया को पहले बात करो.
Samya, But
Yes,
I'm
yes, mom.
listening.
Please come.
What I'm
What?
listening. The
What, mom?
Ranveer was a thief.
Yeah, mom. I just don't want to talk about him. He was a
Your
liar.
father, oh my God, your father told me.
Your father was
He
liar.
Yeah,
sometime your father is right, but sometime he's not as bad as I thought.
Hmm.
He's
yeah.
right. He loved us. He loved us,
Yes,
but he
mom.
never,
You
he
should
never,
come back.
He never expressed his love.
yeah,
He never expressed
he
it.
did not, he did not explain his love, but
Yeah.
still he loved.
Mom, you know what? You should come back.
मैं तो
Yes, I want.
वाह वाह.
I want.
Yes.
I really
Please,
want.
अंकित आ जाओ,
please
अंकित
come.
अंकित आ जाओ.
Ankit,
Yes, yes, I'm here.
I'm sorry, Ankit. I know you earn money because
Lovely.
we live a luxury life. I how I forget
Yes,
that.
yeah, that's what I
How
have
I
been
did
trying to
not
tell you
feel
and
that.
explain to you that I am earning money for you only. Now I don't have time and I can't express my feelings because I believe in hard work only.
But you should. You should tell me, Ankit. You should tell me.
Okay,
You
agar,
should tell me your
only,
feeling.
so do you want to come back?
Yeah, definitely.
No, 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 I will not allow you to come back. Only I will live with my daughter. I only love my daughter. When I was in need, you left me alone.
Oh
When I
God,
was in
Samia,
बाहर में जाओ.
jump into the Samia, jump into
Okay.
this.
Okay. Dad, you should
yes,
allow her to come back in your life.
मुझे
no,
माँ बाप दोनों का
no.
प्यार चाहिए, मुझे दोनों का प्यार चाहिए. Talk like this.
Yeah. I I need I need both of you, and I need your love. Please come
No,
back.
Samia, I don't
Please
leave
come back
these
together.
arrogant
Please.
people. Still he is
No,
arrogant.
mom, he is a nice person.
But Samia,
Just
she
Now
see,
left
I
me when I was
see
realize.
in need.
what he told me.
What?
What he tell me.
What he
What?
told
You
you?
know that I regret my mistake, but still,
No, no, he must be joking, mom. He must be joking.
Okay,
Dad,
इतना हक
I
तो नहीं
don't
Yes.
है.
think
try
so.
to
Okay, Samia,
convince her.
only because of
Now
you,
I
only
leave,
because of
but
you.
first he says sorry to me.
He should
Then
say.
I live
He should say.
with you. He should sorry to me.
Yeah,
Then I
yeah,
live.
he will. He will. Dad, please say sorry to her.
Why should I say sorry to her? She
अंकित,
left me.
For me.
हैप्पी
For
एंडिंग
me.
करते हैं ना
For
अंकित,
me.
हैप्पी एंडिंग करते हैं,
Okay,
हैप्पी एंडिंग.
okay,
For
डेट.
me.
okay, Samia, only because of you. Only because of you, daughter, I'm today saying sorry first time to
No
anybody.
no 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 no
Okay,
no no
Ranvi,
no
I'm
no
very
no
sorry.
No,
no 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 no.
no. I don't need any sorry of like this. You should sorry when
Yes
you
yes
feel in your heart.
yes
No, no,
yes.
I'm
When you
feeling in my
feel in
heart.
your heart, then you say sorry to me. Otherwise, no need.
डेफिनेटली
You
ईगो भी,
know,
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट भी तो कोई चीज़ है वाकई.
Yes.
actually, sometimes, most of the times, I cannot explain myself. I am very bad when it comes to communicating my feelings. So I hope that you will forgive me and accept me and come back.
और तारीफ करो अंकित कि तुम वाकई अच्छी थी, तुम एक अच्छी माँ हो,
Yeah.
मैं भी तुम्हें समझ
And
नहीं सका, थोड़ा सा पोलाइटली.
I realized that you were also right. I should have given you more time because money is not everything.
यस.
So I think you should come back to me, and I think our family and Samia really needs you because she's young, and I don't want her life to be
Yes.
spoiled. So I think you should come
Yes.
back.
Okay.
बस यही
It
कुछ.
So
will give
say
you a,
sorry.
या से
I'm
कुछ.
so sorry. Yeah, yeah.
या गुड.
Say it.
Thank you, me
Sorry,
also.
sorry. I'm so
सॉरी
sorry.
सॉरी.
He
I
already
can't
did.
hear you.
I
I
can't hear
can't
you. I
hear
can't
you.
hear you.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Say
No, no,
loudly.
I'm saying
Mom,
SORRY.
stop being so rude.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Fine.
fine. I'm just kidding. I'm
Okay.
just kidding.
Okay.
Okay.
वाओ लवली गाइस, 1.5 घंटा हो चुका है, बट हमें इसका अंत करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच
Now we
एवरीबॉडी.
live
थैंक यू वेरी
happy
मच.
together.
Say
हैप्पी
thank you,
आपको
Thank
लाइफ.
Ranveer,
you.
Yeah.
also, who helps us to meet each
Thank you.
other.
या. So very nice guys, very nice. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow everybody. It was a nice role play. So please clap for each other. Clap for each other. It was nice. Lovely. So okay guys,
Bye, sir.
take care. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.